Hi everyone, it's Kimberly Bean with the Southern Maryland Real Estate Network, and today my special guest is Jeff Duer with Insurance Repair Specialists. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Kimberly Bean with the Southern Maryland Real Estate Network, and today our special guest is Jeff Duer with the Insurance Repair Specialists. Thanks for being with us today, Jeff.
Thank you for having me.
I was hoping you could tell us a little bit about yourself and about your company.
Sure. I've been a firefighter with Water for Water Volunteer Fire Department as a captain for 34 years. Currently employed with Insurance Repair Specialists, which we specialize in insurance restoration. That means we repair if anything is damaged by fire, wind, smoke, anything like that. It's insurance restoration is what it is.
Okay, excellent. Now you said that you're a firefighter, and I was just curious to know of the calls that you've been on lately. What have you seen as being the leading cause of fires?
One of the leading causes of fires right now is unattended candles, whether it be due to a power outage or to people just burning candles and leaving them unattended. And secondary to that would be kitchen fires, unattended cooking materials. Okay.
And you had mentioned to me earlier about also getting a lot of phone calls for frozen pipes.
We have been. The weather here has been single digits, has been for a couple of days, and unprotected water pipes have a tendency to break and freeze. After they freeze, they break, and the water just goes everywhere.
Okay.
So today, call the fire department. We come out, we'll secure the power to the property, and we'll also secure the water.
Okay. So if someone's had the unfortunate experience of being involved in a home fire or had water damage due to these frozen pipes, what advice would you give them, or what are the steps that they should take?
Well, once the property's been secured and there's no imminent danger, then you want to contact your insurance company, find a restorator that could come out and mitigate the damage. Whether it be a fire, there's a lot of things that need to be done for a fire, a lot of things need to be done with the water too. For example, water, you have 3 days to get this thing dried before mold becomes an issue.
Oh, okay.
And with a fire, a lot of policies require you to take the necessary steps to secure your property after a fire. Keeping vandals out, keeping children out, and protecting your property. That will require a board up. So most companies that do restoration provide a 24-hour emergency service that come out will board your property up, or the water damage will come out and mitigate the water loss at that day too.
Okay, excellent. So tell me a little bit, is what you do sort of guided by the insurance company, or is it just sort of standard practice?
There are regulations the insurance company has out there for people that do insurance restoration. We have to follow certain guidelines.
Okay.
We have to board up things a particular way. We have to secure property, and when this type of weather, when you do a board up, you want to winterize the property to mitigate any more damages.
Okay, so let's say I'm a homeowner and I'm concerned obviously because I've been involved in a house fire, and I walk in the house and it's an absolute mess because there's soot and everything else. The fire company came out and put out the fire. What do you offer the types of services that could help get my belongings, my personal things in my home sort of back in shape?
Everything from the top of your roof down to the lower part of your basement and in between we'll take care of. That's your personal contents too, the structure itself. Everything needs to be done. You as a homeowner, contact your insurance company, tell them what happened. They could recommend some people to do the work, or you choose your own. You have the right to do it as a homeowner, choose your own company. We will come right in there and tell you exactly what we need to do. We get your clothes turned around, an emergency clothing turned around within a 24-hour period. We'll have your house will be boarded up, secured. It'll be winterized that night, that day of the event. So there's a lot of things good to do. What you don't want to do is start taking a bunch of stuff out of the house because it's all containing smoke, which has a lot of chemicals in it. If you try to wash those in your regular home washing machine, you can destroy that machine.
Oh,
and the clothing won't come clean. It'll be damaged for life.
Okay.
So there's a lot of things you don't want to do and a lot of things you do want to do. And basically, the hardest thing to do is to sit back and let the insurance restoration company do their job.
I bet it is hard.
It's very difficult, and I can sympathize with this. I've been through a fire as a kid, so I know what it's like. It's the hardest thing to do, but there's a lot of things that need to be done, and there's a right way and a wrong way about doing things.
Okay. So with regard to the serving area for insurance repair specialists, do you service all of Southern Maryland, or what is your general serving area?
So all the way from Anne Arundel County south.
Okay.
And anything in between, we do that too.
Okay.
Licensed, bond insured, we're trained through the insurance industry, so that way we know exactly what we're doing, and I said we're bonded as well.
Okay.
And we've been doing this business for about 30 years, myself 18.
Okay, excellent. Well, thanks so much for the information today, Jeff. If you have any more questions specific to you, they can give you a call.
Absolutely.
We'll have his number posted below. And do you have a website address where they can get more information?
We do. It's www.insrepspec.com.
That's a tongue twister. In fact, we're going to go ahead and probably put that underneath the video so that they can see it and click. But thanks so much for the helpful information today, Jeff. We really appreciate it.
I do appreciate it.
All right, everyone. Thanks again for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. We like to produce these segments specifically to provide you with information and resources that you need to help making the home buying and home selling process much easier. If there's anything that you'd like us to address in a future segment, visit our website at somdrealestatenetwork.com, or we're on Facebook, or you can even find us on Twitter. But let us know what you'd like to know more about, and we'll try and address them in a future segment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.